Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my channel. I'm Raju Puchala. In this video, let's see both predict and predict proba. So, predict is something that you already have seen as of now. And let's see what is this predict proba. Proba here, nothing but probability. So, let's quickly deep dive into our data set. So, predict versus predict proba. So I already have trained my model, and this is the RF is a random forest classifier. And let's calculate the predictions here. So y preds is equal to RF dot predict x test, and let's select y preds. So these are the predictions, and let's see what is out of the actual values. Y test, right? So here you can compare this and this to find the accuracy score. So these are the predictions, right? What is predict proba? Predict proba. Okay, so like this, y predict proba is equal to rf dot predict proba. That's it. X test. That's it. And I mean the difference is that instead of predict we pass predict proba. Let's see the first five. So what it is generating 0.8 to 0.18, 0.16 this one. What exactly is this? Okay, and 0.60. Okay, this one predict proba, and let's see what are the predicted values here. First five. Okay, so whatever your values, whatever the values which you have predicted here, so I have those values here. So 0.82 and 0.18. So this is the confidence score. So it has like 0.82 confidence score on left hand side. That's the reason it has given the value as 0 here, and it has zero point 0.6. Anything which is like zero point 0.5 this side it will consider as 0. Anything zero point 0.5 on this side it will consider 1. So 0.970, and here this is 0.28, and this is 0.72. This is 1. 0.34, 0.66, this is 1. So basically it determines some score for each and every value when we try to predict the value. So if this value, so it will see like which has the highest score. So in this one, this is like 0 and 1. A person has no disease and disease. So 82% of the times a person might have the disease. That's the reason it is predicting it has 0. No disease, so 0. So here for the second person, so it is telling that 0.6, 0.4. So 60%, there's a 60% probability that the person may not have the disease, and the 40% of the chances the person may have disease. So which is the highest score? Max score 0.6. So that is the reason it is generated 0 here. For example, 0, this record, let's take a look up. Let's take a look at this one. So 34% of the probability that the person may not have the disease for the same one, and 66% there is a chance that the person may get the disease. So that's the reason it has given 1 here. Okay, so basically predict proba really helps you to understand what is your confidence score. So for example, let's assume that in your production your client may say that, hey, Rajiv, okay, anything which has less than like zero point 0.6 or 0.7 is like a low confidence for me, so I don't want the model to predict anything. Instead of that, I would like to return a message like, not confident enough to predict this one. So then in those cases, what we can do, we can exclude this one, we can exclude this one, like this one, this one. Instead of returning the values, we can say that not confident enough to predict. So please go ahead with the test, something like that. Okay, it's again the confidence value that you have to check with your client or the person with whom you are working, and you have to finalize the confidence score. That's it about the predict and predict proper. I hope you like my explanation. Please do like and subscribe if you like these videos. This really helps me to understand that you're liking my videos, and really boosts and motivates me to work on more videos. And guys, believe me, this is like so much of time taking process. I'm still doing it for you. I hope you'll give me the likes and pass me a comment. Thank you for watching this one. Have a good day.